10 Health Benefits of Pomegranate. 1. Pomegranates are loaded with important nutrients. The pomegranate, or Punica granatum, is a shrub that produces a red fruit. Categorized as a berry, the pomegranate fruit is about 5 to 12 centimeters 2 to 5 inches in diameter. It is red, round and looks kind of like a red apple with a flower-shaped stem. The skin of the pomegranate is thick and inedible, but there are hundreds of edible seeds within. Each seed is surrounded by a red, juicy and sweet seed covering known as an aril. The seeds and arils are the edible parts of the fruit, eaten either raw or processed into pomegranate juice, but the peel is discarded. Pomegranates have an impressive nutrient profile. 1 cup of arils 174 grams contains fiber, 7 grams protein, 3 grams vitamin C, 30% of the RDI vitamin K, 36% of the RDI folate, 16% of the RDI potassium, 12% of the RDI. The pomegranate arils are also very sweet, with 1 cup containing 24 grams of sugar and 144 calories. However, pomegranates really shine in their wealth of powerful plant compounds, some of which have potent medicinal properties. 2 Pomegranates contain 2 plant compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Pomegranates pack 2 unique substances that are responsible for most of their health benefits. Punicalagins. Punicalagins are extremely potent antioxidants found in pomegranate juice and peel. They're so powerful that pomegranate juice has been found to have 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea. Pomegranate extract and powder is typically made from the peel, due to its high antioxidant and punicalagin content. Punicic acid. Punicic acid, found in pomegranate seed oil, is the main fatty acid in the arils. It's a type of conjugated linoleic acid with potent biological effects. 3 Pomegranate has impressive anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading drivers of many serious diseases. This includes heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease and even obesity. Pomegranates have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which are largely mediated by the antioxidant properties of the punicalagins. Test tube studies have shown that they can reduce inflammatory activity in the digestive tract, as well as in breast cancer and colon cancer cells. One 12-week study in people with diabetes found that 1.1 cups 250 milliliters of pomegranate juice per day lowered the inflammatory markers CRP and interleukin-6 by 32% and 30%, respectively. If you are interested in reducing inflammation in your body, pomegranate is an excellent addition to your diet. 4 Pomegranate may help fight prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is a common type of cancer in men. Laboratory studies suggest that pomegranate extract may slow cancer cell reproduction and even induce apoptosis, or cell death, in cancer cells. The prostate-specific antigen PSA is a blood marker for prostate cancer. Men whose PSA levels double in a short period of time are at an increased risk of death from prostate cancer. Interestingly, a human study found that drinking 8 ounces 237 milliliters of pomegranate juice per day increased the PSA doubling time from 15 months to 54 months, a monumental increase. 5 Pomegranate may also be useful against breast cancer. Breast cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in women. Pomegranate extract may inhibit the reproduction of breast cancer cells, even killing some of them. However, the evidence is currently limited to laboratory studies. More research is needed before any claims can be made. 6 Pomegranate may lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, hypertension, is one of the leading drivers of heart attacks and strokes. In one study, people with hypertension had a significant reduction in blood pressure after consuming 5 ounces 150 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks. Other studies have found similar effects, especially for systolic blood pressure, which is the higher number in a blood pressure reading. 7 Pomegranate may help fight arthritis and joint pain. Arthritis is a common problem in Western countries. There are many different types, but most involve some form of inflammation in the joints. Given that the plant compounds in pomegranate have anti-inflammatory effects, it makes sense that they could help treat arthritis. Interestingly, laboratory studies suggest that pomegranate extract can block enzymes that are known to damage joints in people with osteoarthritis. This extract has also been shown to relieve arthritis in mice, but evidence from human-based research is very limited so far. 8 Pomegranate juice may lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is currently the world's most common cause of premature death. It's a complicated disease, driven by many different factors. Punicic acid, the main fatty acid in pomegranate, may help protect against several steps in the heart disease process. A 4-week study in 51 people with high triglyceride levels showed that 800 milligrams of pomegranate seed oil per day significantly lowered triglycerides and improved the triglyceride HDL ratio. Another study looked at the effects of pomegranate juice in people with type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol. They noted significant reductions in bad LDL cholesterol, as well as other improvements. Finally, one research analysis concluded that pomegranate juice reduces high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. 9 Pomegranate juice may help treat erectile dysfunction. Oxidative damage can impair blood flow in all areas of the body, including erectile tissue. Pomegranate juice has been shown to help increase blood flow and erectile response in rabbits. In a study in 53 men with erectile dysfunction, pomegranate appeared to have some benefit, but it was not statistically significant. 10 Pomegranate can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. The plant compounds in pomegranate can help fight harmful microorganisms. For example, they have been shown to combat some types of bacteria as well as the yeast Candida albicans. The antibacterial and antifungal effects may also be protective against infections and inflammation in your mouth. This includes conditions like gingivitis, periodontitis and denture stomatitis.